Welcome to this detailed video where I show you how do I create retreat funnels for my top tier clients in Go High Level so that you can learn and build it for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel and website design agency. We build marketing funnels, website landing pages, and help our client with business strategy using Go High Level from scratch. And we have been in business for over 4.5 years, built over hundreds, 400 plus custom projects with hundreds of clients. If you're someone who's interested to learn more about our services, make sure you click on the link below, and then you can schedule a free consultation. All right, let's come to this particular project that we did for our client, Janine. Janine has been our client for over almost 1.5 to 2 years. I've been working with her, building all this files, sites, templates, landing pages, everything that she needs for her ever-growing Go High Level white label business. All right, this was a requirement for multiple funnels, but on this video, I want to show you the retreat funnel because this is super expensive retreat funnel. A seat on this retreat funnel can cost up to $7,500. You got it right. It is expensive, right? All right. So as you can see, Janine is being in the state and teaches people about how to close deals with Mavel, with offline strategy. And guess what? She's been a agent herself, so she knows what it means to do, and she's proven her framework in order to do it for other agents as well. And that's the reason why she's built this unique retreat opportunity for only 8 people that want to join her. So in this video, we're going to break down of how we created an entire funnel section by section, step by step, so that you can get an idea on how to do it by your own. All right, first things first, this is what the heroes section is. There are 2 recommendations that I have in the heroes section. This is all the basic ones that I normally do, but I also recommend that in case you're also comfortable creating a detailed video, you can also add a VSL, which is what we call as a video sales letter, right? So as you can see, Janine is well known in her community. She has hundreds of her subscribers as well as people who follow her. So a video is not required at this point of time because there are already multiple people joining before the retreat for a lower ticket item, which makes it convenient to her to come to this particular retreat and upsell them for a big $7,000 checkout page. All right. So as you can see, we have this hero section here, which is very simple but straightforward. We have mentioned that only 8 spots available. This was still a fast, right? These information are enough in order to increase curiosity for people and increase urgency so that they can go ahead and schedule move this, right? As you can see, in this hero section, first we mentioned about where it's going to be, what is the date. Also, term is as a mega mansion mastermind. All these comes with the strategy of brainstorming with our clients because Janine is pro in this case, right? So when I discuss a bit how I can auto ideas myself, which I suggest to her so that we can give the best on our funnels and landing pages, right? So this is a mega mansion mastermind versus 6-month coaching container plus a 5-day luxury retreat experience for her clients, right? We have highlighted all the most important things that we are going to give in this just in the hero section itself. As you can see, it's written, here's what you experience: AI-powered business acceleration. Use cutting-edge AI tools to automate, simplify, and scale faster in your farm. It's very important. AI is coming in. People want to learn AI, so it is a buzzword at the same time. And if we highlight these things in our funnels and landing pages, this is what will happen. It will increase the curiosity and increase the value of your particular offer that you have presented. The second part that we have here is a 5-day luxury mansion, mega mansion treat. So we have incredible views, recharging the setting built for clarity, creativity, and breakthroughs, because everybody who's interested in an immersive, personalized, intimate experience, they can join this particular retreat. And followed by, they're also going to help you the 6-month growth blueprint and mastermind, expert coaching and collaborative with peers for driving long-term success. It doesn't end, with a 5-day retreat. It also continues for 6 more months where Janine teaches you as to how to do it in your business, right? As you can see, this is a great photo because this is probably what is going to be the retreat. We have mansion and then you have limited offers, mega mansion mastermind with the photo of the host itself, because these are important details in order to increase our credibility on your landing pages for on that sites. Along with that, we also have an infinite slider, which kind of shows everything that you're going to get, starting from the food, the luxury mansion, the business planning, the chef, the massages, your friend list, everything that you're going to get in this 5 million luxury retreat is being presented to you in your in the hero section itself, right? If you scroll down, we are going to show all the agents that you work with, or all the logos are also mentioned here, right? If you scroll down, right, it's kind of shows as to what makes this experience unique, right? So is it just for an event? It kind of shows you all the highlighted point as to why you should join this immersive internet experience for people so that they can make the most of the part, because it's not just easy to charge $7,500, but it's also important for to show people as to why it's what more $70,000, right? It's super important for them to understand. I'm going to show you the breakdown step by step on how to do a sales page breakdown, right? Let's run on, but you can see the button that says, yes, reserve my seat for an hour and a retreat. As you can see, this is a beautiful gradient effect as well as a shine effect the moment somebody hovers on this. Let's scroll down and here, okay, let's go up. I think it's scroll down too much. All right, not a problem. Once we're done with this section, we go to this particular section, which is the difference a retreat can make, right? Because we want to convince people as to why they should join our retreat, right? Before the retreat, after the retreat, right? So struggling with inconsistent farming leads that never feel predictable. So you need to touch on all the pain points that people are facing right now, which you will be solving in this retreat. So it's super important that you list down all the pain points you think your target audience are facing and then add it as before the retreat. And all the solutions which you'll be providing for those pain points should be written at after the retreat, right? So I have listed well over like 6 points on each side. That makes it a worthy notice for people to understand. Okay, I'm facing these problems. If I go to this luxury retreat, I'm not only going to get direct exposure with Janine, I'm going to get everything that I can do in this file biz as well as a 6-month coaching program along with it, which is what we are going to show. But this is also one of my favorite sections when we portray and we showcase the entire video that's in the background. We show them the mansion, we show them the beaches, we show them the luxury, we show them everything that we can in order to convince them that this is what much, much more than a high ticket $7,500 program, right? Because that's why people should join, right? This should be a no-brainer offer for most people, right? And again, we are not, attracting the masses. We're only attracting 8 to 10 people who are serious about building their business into the real estate industry. All right. As you can see, it says more than a retreat, high 11 impact features included with your spot, right? As you can see, the first things first is the AI session. As you can see, two things written. We have 3D graphics right here mentioned, and we also have these kind of GIF animations being added here, which makes it look really, really attractive because this is the highlight of the entire thing. The AI is on the boom and we want to highlight the AI session, which is probably going to be the most important session that people are going to see with the hands of experience or with Janine. So we've also mentioned what exactly this is going to be with the AI session. We've mentioned everything about detail and what exactly is the value that you need to pay just to attend a particular session with Janine on AI. All right, the second is the website research. Basically, gathers people contact details the moment somebody comes on the website. They need not fill up a form, schedule a call, or input or give them any details. So that is what is also getting showed in this session, also valued at $2,500 with an in-person event. Then we have a perfect ocean mansion that we have shown. Again, if you see the graphics, these are all custom created graphics for my client Janine, and that's basically how you build a premium page, because you do know that you're going to charge premium, so it has to look premium. At the same time, we should convert well in terms of giving all the information somebody needs to make a decision. You cannot force people to pay for something that they're not interested in, but you can always assist them to somebody who is in doubt whether they should proceed forward or not by just going to your landing page, right? As you can see, this is regarding the mansion. Then we have photographs, because you're going to click a lot of photographs that we are going to show, and we are going to give it to our clients who join our retreat program. I mean, the objective here is not just to teach, but also to give them an experience that is unforgettable, so that they can come back again and again. This offer is not just a one yearly offer. It's going to be presented every single year with people who are loyal to Janine in order to grow their business. All right. As you can see, we have also hired a photographer, which costs $1,000, and you're going to shoot hundreds of photos of you so that you can make this stay memorable. Then we have a private chef, so that you don't have your favorite dishes being cooked or not. Everything will be presented depending on your demand. If you have any specific requirements, if you do not like any food, do let us know as well, because we are going to take care of that as well. Value $3,000. Then we have a 5-star massage, because hey, you're going to work all day for 5 days, then I'm sure you're going to get tired. But before that, in order to make sure that you are energized, you are consistent, and you are making the most of the investment you did for these many days and months, we're going to give you a back massage, entire massage therapy, and all of that you normally get in a 5-star, valued at $200. So that's going to be your deal. Apart from that, you're also going to have a private bedroom for yourself. So everybody who comes gets their own bedroom. So you have privacy maintained. You have everything that you need in your own private bedroom and bathroom. You don't have to share it with people so that you don't feel comfortable with. Valued at $1,000. Together, we'll map out the most profitable parts of your business, because we are going to develop the business strategy that you wanted directly with Janine, so that it becomes a great win-win for everybody, valued at $2,997. Now, the most important thing is you're going to make friends who are same-minded, right? Who have similar mentality, who are invested in growth of their own business, and you're going to make friendship with these people and connections with these people. In today's day and age, friendship and connections and networking is probably one of the most important things that you can have in order to grow your business, because nobody knows who can help out when and where, right? So this is what you're going to get, because this is going to be a close mastermind group of the elite people who want to grow their business. The value of the friendship is priceless. All right, then we have the comprehensive, where they're going to stock provide a full retreat agenda. Anything you need, the clothes, the food, the view, everything will be taken care of, value at $400. Then we have the community coaching strategy that we are going to give it to people, right? And this is also going to include one-on-one coaching, virtual meets. All of this is going to be done even before you attend the actual event. This is going to be valued at $5,000, because this is going to be happening directly with Janine, where she is going to spend the time exclusively with you and the entire crew. All right. Apart from that, we're also going to give some gift hampers that people can come, they use, and take to their home as memories, because this is going to be memorable for their lifetime. Apart from that, we're going to explain them the why this is so much more than just retreat, because this explains everything that one needs in order to go past their boundaries in their business. That's exactly what Janine is going to help you out with. Apart from that, we have a few call to actions that we are going to give them. And then we come with a reason as to why they should attend the retreat. Who is this retreat for, and who is this not? We are not looking to DNA everybody to come and join our expensive retreat. It's only for few selected people, to whom we can actually help. And that's exactly the reason why we have this beautiful section here. Then we have a section of Meet Your Host, Janine here. Apart from that, now this is where we do a quick recap of everything that we are going to be providing. And then, as you can see, the total cost here becomes $32,997, but we are going to give it as low as $7,000. You can either go for $7,000 as the option 1, by paying a one full-time deposit, which is the best value available, or we can give you two flexible payment options, which is $2,500 today, which is a one-time deposit, and then $1,000 for the rest of the months. Or you can do option three, which is a 5,000 deposit with a lesser monthly payment of only $500. Right? As you can see, they also use custom HTML in order to have these kind of bumpy effects, which is I think looks amazing, right? So then we're gonna scroll down. And this is a short section which shows about how Janine dreamed it, imagined it, and what was her vision when she thought about creating these kind of retrieves for these people. And this is where we add all the testimonial videos, reviews, and then we have all the FAQs that being mentioned in detail, very simple, neat, and clean added, right? And yeah, this entire retreat funnel is quite long. This entire landing page is quite long. And not just that, it doesn't only look good on the desktop mode, but also 110% mobile optimized. Let me show you how exactly this looks on the mobile version. As you can see, this is exactly how it looks in the mobile version of how people are going to review all of that in their mobile. This looks pretty neat, clean, and unique. As you can see, perfectly mobile optimized this entire long form retreat funnel, where we show them about the value that they are going to get of more than $32,000. But now, if they join, they're going to get it for $7,000 if they do a full time payment, or $7,500 with a deposit and a few monthly installments. All right. All of this is covered inside mobile version, very seamless, neat, clean, responsive manner. That's exactly what happens when you work with me, because Janine has been a client for over years. So yeah, of course, you're going to give her the best experience possible. On this that, when somebody clicks on these options, it kind of takes them to the value options, and then you can choose which one you want. You can click on secure your seat, and it takes them to the next page. And this page is the checkout page that you need to add in your Go High Level account. Right? I always recommend to have a checkout page. The reason is very simple. In our checkout page, it kind of gives them a focused approach of putting their credit card details. A few things to add here is the call to action of join the Mega Mansion Mastermind, join the retreat experience, the location, the date, so that finally you're basically giving them everything in just in giving them the option to proceed forward for the checkout. Join us for a 5-day luxury retreat designed to transform your real estate business. Payment checkout option, and show now the photo and also the details that they are going to get when they join our session with an interactive experience here. Again, all of this is also 110% web optimized, where people can even use this with their mobile phone as well. Looks nice, isn't it? That's what you get. And then you have a thank you or an order confirmation page. In the order confirmation page, you basically show them that, hey, Big Mansion Mastermind spot is booked, your spot is confirmed. This is when you receive your registration, and no matter which payment they do, it's going to show up in here as well. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly how to create Go High Level funnels and landing pages, especially these retreat ones in iLevel. I hope that this makes sense to you. I hope that you was able to get the understanding of how you create these kind of high ticket landing pages and funnels. Right? In case you have any questions, write them in the comment section. Or if you want to quickly book a spot with me, go to prithambhadra.com. The link will be in the description. I'll be happy a quick chat with you and see how we can help you out. All right. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.